Reset device. Power cycle. There are multiple ways to reset your device if you're experiencing issues. The first is to perform a power cycle. To turn the device off, press and hold the Power Home button on the right side of the device. Select Power Off. The device will take a moment to power off. To turn the device back on, press and hold the Power Home button. The device will take a moment to power on. Factory reset. If a power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, you can perform a factory reset. A factory data reset will revert the device back to factory settings. It will permanently erase all personal data, preferences, settings, and content that is saved to the device. It is recommended that you save, back up important data before proceeding. To perform a factory data reset, from the clock screen, press the Power Home button. Navigate to and select Settings. Scroll to and select General. Scroll to and select Reset. Select the checkmark icon.